3 steps on how to use your God-given gifts to bless others. Bible teachings for this week. The topics are: 1. What are the 7 areas of God's gifts? 2. Who has access to these God-given gifts? 3. How to discover your God-given gifts? 4. 3 steps to using your gifts to bless others. Topic 1. What are the 7 areas of God's gifts? Godly given gifts. Number 1. Spiritual gifts. 1. Gift of healing. 2. Gift of knowledge. 3. Gift of faith. 4. Gift of wisdom. 5. Gift of discernment. 6. Gift of tongues. 7. Gift of interpretation of tongues. 8. Gift of miraculous powers. 9. Gift of prophecy. Godly given gift. Number 2. Physical gifts. Physical gifts can be athletic, physical beauty, and physical talents that are unique to you. These gifts can be used to bless others. Godly given gifts. Number 3. Social gifts. Social gifts are related to skills of communication, interpersonal relationships, being persuasive. Godly given gift. Number 4. Emotional gifts. Emotional gifts apply to counselors, ministers, coaches. They are often taken advantage of, so self-care is essential for this group. Godly given gift. Number 5. Financial gifts. Financial gifts apply to investors, entrepreneurs, business owners and realtors, who use their gift to build wealth over time. Godly given gift. Number 6. Creative gifts. Creative gifts apply to dancers, social media influencers, content creators, singers, performers, artists, etc. Godly given gift. Number 7. Intellectual gifts. Intellectual gifts apply to geniuses, deep thinkers, those with good comprehension such as philosophers, mathematicians and academics. Topic 2. Who has access to these God-given gifts? Anyone can receive gifts from God according to James 1:17. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows. In Proverbs 18:16, a gift opens the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great. Topic 3. How to discover your God-given gifts. What are your interests? Do you prefer to do things alone or group activities? Do you like sports, singing, dancing, acting, cooking, working with your hands, or on the internet? What are you good at? Are you good with pets? Are you good with people? Are you good in the arts? The list goes on. When you acknowledge your own God-given gifts, there are no limits to how far you can take them. If you love helping others through teaching, healing, coaching, counseling, speaking publicly, then go ahead and excel in what you love. Everyone needs a mentor or coach. Take charge of your God-given gifts and do not let anyone tell you it is impossible, for you serve a God who makes the impossible possible. Remember to always have fun with your God-given gifts. Topic 4. 3 steps to using your gifts to bless others. Step 1. Get involved. Look up areas where you can contribute, participate or lead others. Step 2. Volunteer your services. Ask around at work, at your clubs, at your neighborhood communities, and give of your time and service. Step 3. Pay it forward. Donations are always appreciated when you help the poor and needy with education, food, and living expenses. Know this: you cannot earn God's gift. It is gifted to you because He loves you. Pass on this gift with all of your love. You have come to the end of your lesson. May you continue to walk in love and joy, for His joy is your strength.